Hey, Swathi here. Welcome back to Python. Zero to expert. Here's the thing. Nobody tells beginners. Tests aren't extra work. They're what lets you change code without that pit in your stomach fear. Let me show you. Module 14. A test is just a tiny bit of code that checks your real code does what you think. Write a few, and suddenly you can refactor, upgrade, and tinker, knowing that if you break something, a test will shout. 3 things. You'll write a test using assert. You'll run your tests with pytest, one command, and you'll feel why a green test suite is the most freeing thing in programming. Here's a test. A function to test and a test function. Its name just starts with test. Inside, assert. It says, this had better be true. Add of 2 and 3 should be 5. If it is, the test passes. If not, pytest tells you exactly what went wrong. Running them is one word. Pytest. It finds every test file, runs every test, and gives you a report. That green dot and 1 passed. That's the sound of your code being correct. Do this after every change. And here's the whole point. Without tests, every change is a gamble. You edit, and you just hope. With tests, you edit, run pytest, and the green tells you you're safe. That's the difference between fearing your code and trusting it. Sarah here. Real tests spread like a speck. One says greet uses the name. Another says greet handles an empty name with a friendly default. Read them, and you understand exactly what greet promises. Good tests are documentation that can't lie. And that's testing. You can write a test, run pytest, and change code with confidence instead of dread. Next time, decorators and closures, one of Python's most magical feeling features made simple. I'm Swathi. This is Codecraft. See you there.